Hello my dear students, welcome to online practical second sem BSC practical. My name is Shankar, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sri Silaganga College, Government Tumkur. So today let us start determination of heat of neutralization of hydrochloric acid with sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide. So in this experiment, what is heat of neutralization and what is neutralization and why hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide, that is enthalpy of neutralization of hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide, that is strong acid with strong base, is always constant and is equal to minus 57.3 kilojoules per mole. That is our question. So with respect to that, what is enthalpy of neutralization? So enthalpy of neutralization is nothing but enthalpy change that occurs when 1 gram equivalent weight of an acid is completely neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of a base in dilute aqueous. So what is enthalpy change? Actually not enthalpy change that occurs in that. What is enthalpy change? Enthalpy change is nothing but the heat content of the product and that of the reactant. That difference is what we call as enthalpy change. So with respect to this experiment, so HCl strong acid, NaOH strong base, so it is called strong acid and strong base. That is any strong acid and strong base that reacts to give salt and water. So any strong acid and strong base that reacts to give salt and water, with respect to that, that is the combination of 1 mole of water is formed from H plus and OH minus ion. Therefore, enthalpy of neutralization of strong acid and strong base is always constant. So that is minus 57.3 kilojoules. So with respect to that, there are 2 steps in this experiment. First step is determination of water equivalent. Second step is calculation of heat of neutralization. So with respect to first step, water equivalent. So how do you determine water equivalent? So with respect to that, you measure 100 ml of water in a beaker and note down the temperature. That symbol is Tc. That is what we call it as, we have to record this value here. So then 100 ml of water is taken in another beaker and water in this beaker is rising to above 10 degrees centigrade with respect to Tc. So after 10 degree above, you keep this taken outside and keep aside for a few minutes and observe the temperature of hot water in the beaker. So temperature of hot water in the beaker gradually falls down and exactly coincide to the above 10 degree with respect to Tc. Then immediately mix this hot water to cold water and then note down the temperature of emission, that is called Tm. After recording all these values Tc, Th, Tm, you have to record or substitute these values and calculate what is the value of W, that is called water equivalent. Why did we need water equivalent? Why did we determine water equivalent in this experiment? So with respect to determination of enthalpy of neutralization, during heat of neutralization, some amount of heat is absorbed. So what is the amount of heat absorbed? That is calculated by water equivalent. Okay, that is the why we need to calculate and determine water equivalent. So in the second step, calculation of enthalpy of neutralization. How do you calculate enthalpy of neutralization? So with respect to that